Hi guys! Welcome po sa aking YouTube channel. Yes, it's me, Miss Izzy again. And so before we're going to start ang vlog, if newbie ka pa sa aking channel, please do like and share and subscribe pa sa aking channel. Ayan, so recently yung upload ko is ng Fit to Try tayo ng Shein Haul. So today's video is Fit to Try Shein Haul Part 2. So ayun guys, so I'm finding Shein is one of getting addicted na ata ako ngayon sa online shopping kasi pag day off ko kasi every Friday wala kasi akong time mag shopping because I go to a service sa church namin, then hapon na, then I'm very tired na yun. Ayoko nang masyadong mag-roam around, so gusto ko na umuwi agad para makapagpahinga because the next day is work na naman. So yun, so ito yung pinurchase ko na isa, hindi ko na siya inalas ko na siya. So ito yung isa short guys, so meron siyang zipper dito sa side, and then meron din siyang tali dito sa likod ay sa harap. And then, so ayan, it's very cute. This is medium size. And meron din yung isa, yung pinare ko dyan, makita nyo dito nag-pictorial ako. So ito yan. So sleeveless siya sa ito. It's good for the hot weather. Ayan, pwede rin siya pang inner type or ayan, mga itong isasunod ko na siya kasi nag-tiktok ako. This is what I like, leopard type. It's so cute. Ayan siya, very cute. And this is like plain. It's plain white. Yan. So yan lang naman. So tinry ko na silang apat. Isasuot ko na. So ito yung mga fit na try ko kanina. So this is the first one, and the second one, the third, and the fourth. Yan guys. So ito na lahat sila. So I hope you like it guys. So ayan guys, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoy. God bless.